Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve kicking you out on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve kicking you out on Telegram app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram, and you can click here in this page. As you see, we'll enter to this window. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi, and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.